Guys, this is me, Alina, and today I'm going to be feeding Fidgets Nerlie sprinkles. Well, you can see why I have Fidgets all wrapped up here, because I'm going to use her blanket to make sure she doesn't make a mess. Awesome, right? Okay, so I'm going to get the beanie bag set up. Well, if I did mention this, sorry for this, but guys, she's 1 week old. She's actually not 1 week old. What am I saying, guys? I have no idea. But she is 1 month old. There we go. Sorry for the background noises I make because I am clumsy. Also, Fidgets is not a good eater, so don't expect anything too special. Okay, guys? I just got it set up. Do it on a well-ventilated area. Then ventilated just means area that your mom and dad won't get mad at you for using to do this. So if you adopted from the stroller world, you're Nerlie, or if you just bought it on sale, you see this blanket? My baby came with it. If you haven't watched my stroller video, hopefully I'll link it in the description. If you don't know the tag, it's Alina adopts a Nerlie from Nurse Tanya, I'm pretty sure. So look up that, or just go to somebody that's adopting one, and that's how I found mine. See that? That is something you need. You're Nerlie, obviously. Right, guys? It's so obvious. This is more like a nighttime. This is her 3rd feeding. Sorry about that, guys. For 2 months, they need to drink formula. Don't give your Nerlie formula until they ate all you wanted them to eat. So, put that right there. First, prepare a bottle. I will tell you that I already have a video when she was 2 weeks old. So check that out, guys, So yeah. Hopefully this lighting is okay. Oh, and also, if you're going to prepare a bottle, have to have the shaky shake formula. It's obvious, right, guys? Shaky shake, Nerlie shaky shake formula. Shaky shake formula. And also it comes with a funnel. It's so cute, isn't it, guys? It's the N for Newnie. To me it's very cute, but off page, here's the Nerlie sprinkles. There's actually sprinkles. This is made in Mexico. It's purple grape. There's different types of it, but this is the one I have. Has a little Susie Keen on it, except Susie Keen is not purple. She's pink. She has it all over her. And look, Nerlie sprinkles. I'm going to pause it real quick while I open this up. Warning. Don't let small children have an Nerlie, because I'll show you why. This is why. They're actual sprinkles. Not actual. You're not supposed to eat this. If a 3-year-old eat this, they're going to get very sick. Then they need medical attention. Putting a disclaimer out. Don't let your child have a Nerlie, because if they're going to have a Nerlie, they have to be over 3. But I would suggest zygotes or up. Zygotes, preemies, and sponges, because they have mushy baby food. I just have her for now. Never noticed, but yeah, don't get a Nerlie if you're getting it for your 3-year-old. Sorry if people get that for their underage child, but putting it out there. Well, back to what this video is about. See this? So cute. It's a little spoon. I'll show you it. It says a spoonful growth and then neonate on it. If you didn't notice, I thought it said Nerlie earlier, but I thought this at the stroller clinic. If you are watching this and you got one in Mexico, I would suggest checking out a different YouTube channel because I'm all English. But see this? This could make a big mess. Trying to get one in there, you know. But let's focus on Fidgets now. My baby girl. I'm gonna put you guys to her because she's too cute. Is the lighting doing her justice? Hopefully, but it's not really a problem. Get one ball at a time because you don't want them to choke. That's what I heard from a different YouTuber. I'm not Spanish, so I didn't watch the Spanish video for instructions. So if you watch that, I'd suggest it. And then if you want to know how to, I said it all. But look, she's going to eat it, guys. Oh, airplane time! Woo! Woo! Gonna eat it. She doesn't like grape. Guys, she's eating it. I'm going to pick her up, but if you didn't notice, guys, oh, sorry, I have to put a shadow over. Look, guys, she's eating it. She doesn't really, she likes the flavor now, but yeah, she used to not. Usually she would spit it out, but today she's not. I don't want her to keep it in there because it could dye her mouth. Oh. Where did it go? Bye-bye. She ate it. Guys, she ate it. Can you believe my baby's eating it? If you guys didn't watch my videos, the other three actually, but yeah. It's gonna eat it. Oh, airplane time! But actually, I forgot to show you this. Look at this. A spoon throw full of growth. Not really, actually. So, not really a spoon throw full of growth because there's only one ball there. So, it's not a spoonful of growth. Right, Fidgets? She's not happy. But it's airplane time. Pounced into her mouth. Guys, she's eating it. She's eating it and ate it. Look, guys, it used to be in her mouth. No. You know, it's where in her tum. Little tummy. She used to drink drippity drop, and then that. It's probably somewhere in there. But she ate it! My baby girl ate it! Yay! I'm going to give her a couple more bites, and then she's going to drink her leche. Sorry if I am boring you out with this, but it's airplane time! There's nothing in there. There was nothing in there, guys. That was awkward. What's wrong with me? I actually have to get a ball in there. Okay. Okay, guys. It's okay. I'm not a total fool. Look at it. Look, it's in there now. Airplane time! Wow, she's really liking that. Look, she's eating it. She's eating it. Well, that's the last bite she's going to have, actually. It's time for her leche! Her leche! Her leche! Hopefully she doesn't have a surprise in her diaper. Oh, she pooped! Guys, she pooped. She peed. She pooped. Oh gosh, Fidgets. Look, she poops. She pooped. I had no idea where that was going. She pooped it. That is not cool. That is not cool. But I'm still going to give her some. Oh, it's soaking in. Oh no. Tell me, guys, if you want me to do more videos with her. Just really want to show you this. Sorry for the background noises. Oh, I think it's time for her to finally burp. Oh, no, she peed. Look, if you don't see it, she drenched her diaper. Look, she drenched it. She got a little on me. Hashtag great mom hacks. When you're burping your baby, use your shirt if they force fit cloth. She burped. Please have no spit. No spit up. Okay, guys, actually, I probably have to end this video here. Please click like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want me to do with her next time, guys. See you guys next time. Bye. Hi, guys. I'm here again. You might be wondering, I thought I just said bye. Fidgets wanted to see you the aftermath. I want to show you it real quick. Look what I have to clean up now. So, yeah, if you want me to do more of this with Little Miss Poopy Pants, tell me. And this is the setup over here. This is kind of like a behind the scenes of a video I just did. But that's where I fed her from. That's what I'm feeding her. And that's the stuff for her bottle. But I pre-prepared it. Well, now bye, guys. See you later. Bye.